financing side. But it's that time of the day where we shift focus to D-Street chatter. Nimesh joins us to tell us what is he picking up. Nimesh, a good session, right? I mean, the buy on dips has worked out, and the markets are holding quite strong.
And actually, the good part about today's pullback is this is backed by FI buying as well.
Oh.
That's a big difference. Yesterday when we spoke, same time when we spoke about markets falling, the feedback was that the FI selling was not large and the DIs were big buyers, and that showed up in the numbers as well. Today it looks like both the legs are going to be buyers. That's the overall feedback. In fact, there is a market at close basket buying as well across multiple names at a leading FI desk. Even that could probably show up in today's numbers. So that's the first feedback, that today's big rally is backed by institutional buying. So that's one thing. Secondly, I guess even from a broader market, the pullback seems to be quite strong. And actually we've recouped all of yesterday's losses, right? Not only the Nifty, but in the broader markets as well. And look at broader markets, the PSU banks, PSU stocks, metal names, even the real estate stock, the entire real estate pack is buzzing in trade today. That shows the momentum is clearly back in the broader markets as well. I guess technically also 19,400, 19,450 is acting as a very strong support, but now we are closer to that upper end of the resistance. So 19,700, 750 is a level to watch out for. If that gets taken out on the upside, maybe this momentum can continue. So one, today's rally is backed by institutional buying, and two, the momentum seems to be back in the broader market.
Well, the 20 DMA, 19,770, we can get past, that'll be good. And today it's good to see the big gun is firing, the Nifty Bank after a while. True. But individual stocks, what are you picking up?
A lot of names today. And in fact, I was struggling to clear a few names not to add to it. So I'll mention 4 names. The first stock on my list today is Indus Towers. The stock is buzzing in trade today on good volumes as well. But I believe there is going to be a large block in Indus Towers very soon. So that's something to track going forward. So that's the first one. The second stock is Birla. The entire IT pack seems to be back on the radar. The expectation is that most of the companies will report strong earnings. And for Birla, there is buying interest, and the street is expecting a strong quarter this quarter. So that's the reason why that's buzzing in trade today. The third stock is Max Healthcare. Been consolidating in a narrow range of late, but I understand at these levels some bit of institutional interest is back. In fact, there are some block bids which have been indicated by leading long only funds. So there is interest back in Max Health is the overall feedback. And the last stock is J&K Bank. I've added to the list largely because while the stock isn't buzzing off late, but the first time there are some signs of some institutional interest back in this particular stock. So there are strong volumes for the last many days. Even in today's trade, expect high delivery volumes, and some bit of institutional interest is back in J&K Bank as well.
Okay, got that. Thanks very much, Nimesh, for the details there. By the way,